Welcome to another Chihuahua dog video where I show you the most funniest Chihuahua dogs in 2025. Grab a popcorn and let's get going. Cheers!
No man or woman has more significant strikes takedown defense on and on a field for the consensus greatest of all time.
So smart. That's how he ride, y'all. He's so used to my driving.
The tiny convenience of having a manual moisturizing service.
Well, maybe he needed it. You know, like maybe he held it together for his ex-wife, and then now that he's not with her, he's like, I can be back with her.
Ladies, I'm trying to do my work today. Leave me alone.
Imagine waking up to this cute scene. My day will be completed. I know I'm being manipulated, but I can't just prove it.
Gilbert, how are you doing today? Did you know that you make me very happy? And I'm so glad you're my little boy.
Someone check if he's trying to start a dance trend. I've never seen someone take Do Not Disturb so seriously.
Chinchu.
Is it a mouse? A squirrel? No, it's a tiny titan. That's not just a sleep spot, that's a 24/7 heartbeat monitor.